Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a nice, interesting lunchbox recipe. Now I'm going to show you two different varieties of rice recipes using leftover rice. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the onion rice, take a wide saucepan, add a little oil, about 3 teaspoons. Now if you prefer ghee, you can also use ghee. Once the pan is nice and hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 2 red chilies, hing, asafoetida powder. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add the onions. I have 2 onions, thinly sliced it. Next add 2 green chilies chopped. Add a few curry leaves. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. Now season it with salt. I've added 1 teaspoon. Add the rice and then you can check and add a little later. You can see the onions are nice and brown. It's got a lovely golden brown color to it. 1 large bowl of cooked leftover rice. You can see this. So I'm just going to use that. Now if you don't have leftover rice, you want to cook fresh rice, it's up to you. You can do that as well. So if you want to make this particular dish for your children, you can cut off the chilies. You don't have to add green chilies. Now we've finished the onion rice. Garnish it with some chopped fresh coriander leaves. The next rice variety is garlic rice. Add 1 whole teaspoon of ghee. Now instead of oil, I'm using ghee here. Once the saucepan is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 3 red chilies, break them into half, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add the garlic slices. You can see I've sliced it really thin. Roast the garlic till it's got a lovely golden brown color. Next add a few curry leaves. Now you can see the garlic has come to a nice golden color. I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to season it with salt and some fresh ground pepper. Now pepper is optional. If you don't want pepper, you can just do it without pepper. The garlic rice is done. Turn off the stove and serve it hot. Garnish it with some chopped fresh coriander leaves. If you have any leftover rice at home, you can try these. So one is an onion rice and the other is garlic rice. You can see how simple and quick this can be made. You can have it with any side dish of your choice or with some appalam or chips. I have my online classes on Indian cooking, so make sure you check that out on 21frames.in/classes.